Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to increase or decrease the volume on your iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, tap on Double Tap, and for Double Tap, you could select Volume Up, then tap on the back key at the top and tap on Triple Tap, and in here you can choose to set Volume Up for Triple Tap, and then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you double tap at the back of your phone, so I'm just going to turn off the torch here, and if I double tap, this will allow me to increase the volume. So if I double tap, it will decrease the volume, and if I want to increase the volume, I would triple tap, and that will increase the volume each time I triple tap or double tap. And that's it. So that is how you can set the back tap to increase or decrease the volume on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.